In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Azar Live Video Chat. You can come to this website here, azarlive.com. You can either go to video chat online or you can watch some people streaming live. Firstly, to use these two features, we're going to log in here. You can use the Google option here. After you are logged in, it will automatically access your camera and microphone, and you can start the video chat here directly, and it gives the information of person that you are connected here. Hello. You can use keyboard shortcuts here. If you want to end the chat, you can just press on escape from the keyboard, and if you want to skip to end of the chat, you can just press the right arrow key from the keyboard. And there's also an option to send messages directly from here. Hello. If you want to report the user, we have got this function here. Hello. Let's end the chat. There's also an option to filter the gender here or select the country, but we can do so only after subscribing. If I choose Philippines here, then I have to purchase gems here. So you can only filter the gender or country by purchasing gems. So that's all about the video chat. Let's go to live. You can either start your own live stream by clicking here, or you can choose any of these live streams. Let me choose this one, and you can enter your message here. Let's go to video chat once again. And last, we have got two options, that is shop option, where you can purchase gems and then unlock these features here, gender and country filter. And we have got here history function. It gives you the list of people that you had previously connected on Azar Live Video Chat. So that's the way how we can use Azar Live Video Chat. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.